All right, do you guys remember the rule?
It's coming from the positive side.
Number 10, it is coming from, well, it's going towards
The
the negative, coming from the positive. Good. So it's going this direction, but do we remember the rule about infinity?
Horizontal.
It's kind of going towards, yeah, it's going towards something in a horizontal, right? So instead of vertical asymptotes, we're worried about horizontal. So where is the horizontal in this case? And what we realize is the rule for horizontal, what is it? Horizontal asymptotes is this. If the power is the same, then it is, so horizontal asymptote is the coefficient in front of the power, right? In front of the variable. So the coefficient in this case is -2, right? Isn't it? So there's going to be a horizontal asymptote at -2. That means 1, 2, it goes. So what we want to check is as we get big, where are we going? So instead, I'm going to look at like 10. I'm going to call this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, right? I'm going to go by tens. So I'm going to plug in two numbers, 10 and 100, negative. So I'm going towards negative infinity. So when I plug in f of -10, where is it? So I plug in f of -10, that's -10 times 2 is -20, right? But a negative and a negative makes a positive. So that's 20. -10 minus 2 is -12, right? So how many times is -12? That's a negative, right? So what goes into both of those? 2 and 4. So 4 goes into there 5 times, and 4 goes into there 3 times, and that's equal to a -1 2/3. Okay? So at 1 2/3.
Wait, why is it -5?
Say again?
Why is it -5?
Took 4 out.
Oh, well, I just switched. I mean, it's actually -3, right? My bad. I just switched it because I like it better on top. Ooh, gotta say that out loud. Alright, so, but I do like the negative sign better on top. That's just me. But technically, we would have kept it down below. And then later we could have moved it if we wanted to.
What's the circle say? I can barely read.
I think it says 1 over 2/3.
This one? Yeah, 1 over 2/3.
Uh,
Sorry about that. There you go. Alright. But we need another number, and I decided I was going to put in what?
100.
100. Negative, right?
Yeah.
So f of -100 is equal to what? So what is 2 times -100? -200. And a negative and a negative make a positive. So I got negative or positive 200, right? Now, what is -100 minus 2?
98.
Minus
102.
102. Good job. Right? Now, if I look at that and I break it down, right? I know 2 goes into there 51, and 2 goes into there 100, and I think that's about it. So that would be 51 over, oh sorry, I'm stupid. That would be 100 over 51 negative, right? And I think that's about it, so let's set that up. How many times does this go in? It doesn't quite go in 2, right? It goes in once, so -1, and 49, right? 49 51s is left over, right? So 49 over 51 is left over. That's 45. 49 over 51, right? That's really, really close to 2.
51.
But it's not quite 2. So again, we are coming closer and closer and closer to 2, but we're not ever going to hit 2. So as we approach negative infinity, what happens is we approach what number? Negative 2. So the limit is the same as the horizontal asymptote. Does that make sense? Simple pimple, pop. Pop goes the weasel because the weasel goes pop. Pop, pop goes the weasel, weasel. Blah, blah. Wow.
Wow.